Have you ever received a text that says, "Your package is delayed, you owe a toll," or "Your bank account is locked"? It looks urgent, it looks official, and it includes a link that says you need to act now. That is not just an annoying text. It could be a smishing scam. Smishing is phishing, but through text messages. The goal is to trick you into clicking a link, entering personal information, or paying money. Smishing scams are exploding because they are fast, easy, and they work on people who are busy. In this video, I will break it down simply. What smishing is, how the scam works, the most common text scam scripts, the biggest red flags, and the exact steps you can take to protect your money and your identity. Remember this rule for the whole series. Pause first, verify second, act last. Smishing is a scam where a criminal sends a text message pretending to be a company, a government agency, or a service you trust. The text usually includes a link. Sometimes it includes a phone number. The scammer wants one of three things. First, your information, like your password, your bank login, your social security number, or your credit card number. Second, your money, through fake fees, fake payments, or fake delivery redose. Third, access, which means getting you to sign in somewhere so they can take over your account. The reason smishing is so dangerous is because it feels personal. It lands right in your pocket. And it often hits you at the exact moment you are distracted, like when you are working, driving, or waiting in line. That is why you need a simple system to recognize it and shut it down. Most smishing scams follow the same playbook. Step 1, they send urgency. The message says something bad will happen if you do not act. Step 2, they give you an action button, usually a link that looks real. Step 3, they push pressure. They may say your account will be locked, your package returned, your toll fees increased, or your card frozen. Step 4, the theft happens. If you click the link, you might be sent to a fake website that looks like the real thing. If you enter your login, you just handed them your account. Sometimes the link installs malicious software. Sometimes it takes you to a payment page. But the key is simple. The message is designed to rush you and get you to click without thinking. The best defense is to interrupt the momentum. No clicking, no replying. Verify through official channels instead. Here are the most common smishing categories. Package delivery scams say your package cannot be delivered until you confirm your address or pay a small fee. Toll and parking scams say you owe a fee and will get penalties if you do not pay now. Bank alert scams say your account is locked or there was suspicious activity and you must confirm your identity. Account security scams pretend to be a service like email, streaming, or shopping and claim your password was reset. Prize and refund scams say you won money, got a refund, or are eligible for a payment. All of these have one thing in common. They want you to click. They want you to react fast. The truth is that real organizations do send texts sometimes, but they do not require you to panic and click random links to fix everything instantly. Scammers use urgency because it makes smart people make rushed decisions. Let's talk about the package delivery scam. This one is popular because everyone orders online. You get a text that says a package is stuck, delayed, or cannot be delivered. It might include a tracking number. It might use words like final notice. Then it asks you to click a link to confirm your address or pay a small redelivery fee. That small fee is the hook. Once you type your card number, the scammer has it. Or the link takes you to a fake login screen to steal your password. Here is a simple rule. If you did not request delivery updates for that package, do not trust the text. If you are unsure, go directly to the shipping carrier's official website by typing it yourself, or check your original order confirmation email. Never use the link in the text to fix delivery issues. The toll and parking scam is also everywhere. You receive a text saying you owe a toll fee and must pay by today to avoid penalties. The message looks official. It might use the name of a toll service. It might reference your city or state. Then it includes a link to pay. That link often goes to a fake payment page. Once you enter your card details, your money is at risk. Sometimes it also asks for your driver's license or address. Do not click. If you think you might owe a toll, open a browser and visit the official toll agency website by typing it yourself, or use the official app you already have installed. Scammers want you to pay in the moment. Your job is to slow it down and verify. Bank alert smishing is one of the most dangerous because it targets your finances directly. You get a text that says, "Fraud detected," or "Your account is locked." It might say, "Reply yes to confirm." It might include a link that looks like your bank. It might tell you to enter a one-time code. The scammer wants to take over your bank login. If you give them your username and password, they can try to sign in. If you give them the one-time code, you might be giving them the final key. Here is the safest rule. If you get a bank alert text, do not click the link. Instead, open your bank app the normal way, or call the number on the back of your card. If there is a real issue, your bank will confirm it through official channels you control. Here are the red flags that should stop you immediately. The message creates urgency and threatens consequences. The link looks strange or shortened. The wording feels off, like weird grammar, random capitalization, or vague details. The message asks for personal information, passwords, or one-time passcodes. The message demands payment, especially through unusual methods. Another red flag is when the message does not address you by name, but tries to sound official. And here is a big one. If the text says, "Do not tell anyone," or tries to isolate you, that is a scam tactic. When you see these red flags, you do not need to investigate inside the text. You simply need to delete it and verify using official methods. Your defense can be very simple. Step 1. Do not click. That is where the danger begins. Step 2. Do not reply. Even replying, "Stop," to a suspicious message can confirm your number is active. Step 3. Verify separately. If the text claims to be your bank, open your bank app directly or call the number on your card. If it claims to be a carrier, check your tracking on the official website. If it claims to be a toll agency, type the official site into your browser. Verification means you control the path. You do not let the scammer choose the link, the phone number, or the next step. Reporting helps stop scam messages and helps carriers block patterns. Here is what you can do. Forward the spam text to 7726, which spells spam. That helps your wireless provider identify and block similar messages. You can also use the "report junk" or "report spam" option inside your messaging app. Then report the scam to the Federal Trade Commission at reportfraud.ftc.gov. These steps matter even if you did not lose money. Reporting creates patterns. Patterns help shut down operations. Think of it like neighborhood security. The more people report, the harder it is for scammers to keep running the same scam. If you clicked a link, do not panic. Act smart. Close the page immediately. Do not enter any information. If the page asked for your bank login, do not type it. Next, run a security scan on your phone if you can. Then check your accounts. If you entered a password, change it immediately. If you used that password anywhere else, change it there too. Turn on two-factor authentication where available, but do it through official app settings, not through a text link. Watch for suspicious sign-in alerts. If the scam involved your bank, call your bank using a verified number and ask them to review your account activity. The goal is to cut off access before anything escalates. If you entered your card number or personal information, take action quickly. Call your bank or card issuer using the number on the back of your card. Explain that you entered card details into a suspicious link. Ask them to block the card if needed and issue a new one. Turn on transaction alerts so you see charges immediately. Review your recent transactions. If you shared sensitive personal information, you may also want to monitor your credit and consider a credit freeze depending on the situation. The key is speed and documentation. The faster you report it, the better your chance of reducing damage. Here are habits that make smishing much harder. Use official apps you installed yourself instead of links and texts. Keep your phone updated, because updates patch security vulnerabilities. Use a password manager so you do not reuse passwords. Turn on account alerts for banks and major services. Be careful with link previews, because sometimes previews load content you did not intend to open. And most importantly, slow down. Most scams fail when you take 10 extra seconds. Scammers are counting on speed. You do not need to win an argument. You just need to avoid the click. Let's recap. Smishing is phishing through text messages. The goal is to get you to click a link, share information, or pay money. The most common smishing scams are package delivery, toll and parking fees, and bank alerts. Your defense is simple. Do not click. Do not reply. Verify separately using official channels. Report spam texts by forwarding them to 7726. Report scams at reportfraud.ftc.gov, and use the report spam tools on your phone. Now I want to hear from you. What is the most common scam text you receive? Package delivery, tolls, or bank alerts? Drop it in the comments so we can help other people spot it faster. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who gets a lot of random texts. Stay informed, stay empowered. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial, legal, or cybersecurity advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.